Hey Steve, Kylie Renna here with RinGen SEO and Digital Marketing. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to talk to Tony on the phone the other day. And as promised, we wanted to get over this short custom video with tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence all on your own and in return bring in better paying, more exclusive customers online. Since I've got your Facebook page pulled up here, we'll just give this a start. Looks like you've got, all your important business information listed, which is really awesome. One thing is to just make sure that this information all matches what is listed on your Google business profile. So make sure your hours match and all that stuff. Facebook did just add in here not that long ago where you can actually go into your admin portion of your business page, go in your about section, and list any other social profiles that you have, which is super, super important. Just as far as linking everything together so that Google doesn't get confused. They know, what other social profiles you do have. So if you haven't done that yet, and you do have other social profiles, feel free to jump in there and get those listed so you can start reaping the benefits from that. There's three things that we're going to be talking about today. Since we're on the homepage of your website, the first thing that we're going to talk about is content. You may or may not have heard it said in the past that content is king in the eyes of Google, and it really is true. So Google and other search engines alike like to see around 1,500 or more words of content on any page of your website that you're trying to be found for. Now, typically, since you do roofing and other construction things, you'd like to have a services drop down on your website that lists all the services that you offer. Construction is pretty broad, so what in the construction niche do we offer? What other services are we offering next to roofing? So making sure not just having a home page, but that you do have all your other services listed on here. Each of those pages should have about 1,500 or more words on them. The words should be quality content, it should be user friendly, and it should be helpful. Google likes to see those things, and it will in turn help you reap some benefits online as far as getting organic customers on the first page of Google. Now, content is not just the words that are on a page, content is also the images on a page and how those images are saved. So you have this gallery here. Now, most businesses that I come across on their website have all the photos on their pages just saved as like generic letters and numbers. Now, that's super easy, super convenient. However, Google actually reads what's going on behind the scenes of your website. So where we can't see it with our naked eye, Google can. So it's super important to save your images on your website as buyer intent keywords and key phrases that people or consumers are searching for when they're looking for your services in your service areas. Google will pick up on those and reward you for doing that correctly. So super important to do that. We've got pretty minimal words on this page here, so making sure you go on. Looks like you got testimonials. That's great. This section here you could probably fix. This doesn't look super user friendly, so a couple little tweaks you could do here to make it more likely that people will jump on here and actually send you a submission form. So next to that, we're going to jump over to the second thing we're going to be talking about today, and that is citations. Now, citations are anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number are listed, and that would be through various online directories. A couple directories like Yelp, Angie's, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Better Business Bureau. The list goes on and on. There's literally thousands of them available online. Now, the more citations you have and the better quality citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this 3-pack or this map pack here. So when I type in construction company in Gaylord, Michigan, you're pulling up in the #1 spot, which is fantastic. And also when I typed in roofing company in Gaylord, you're about the same. It might have been second, but you're right up in here. So that's really, really good. So you are, should be getting some benefits from that. However, depending on what keywords you're ranking for, you may not be showing up for, all the different deviations of phrases that you could be depending on how far out you go for your services. You may want to try to do some research and see, where you might be missing out and then improving from there. 3-pack were listed. Now, if I go down, you're not ranking organically. So these are organic listings. We've got a bunch of directories in here. no organic ranking here. So you could really, benefit from being on a top spot here, alongside of being listed right here as well. Some people don't prefer this. Some people don't use this little 3-pack here. They like the old school way of jumping down here. So missing out on that kind of stuff. We'll talk about that in a minute. Since we're here on your Google business page, I'm going to pop over here. We got your page pulled up, liquid roofing and construction. You've got quite a handful of photos, so that's fantastic. No complaints there. Got quite a bit of reviews, which is awesome. Minimum recommendation is 25. Looks like you're doing pretty good with that. Could do some improvement, but easier said than done. As far as reviews, Google likes to see everything look really natural and organic with that. So, just slowly doing it over time is going to be in your best interest than trying to get the score up just a little bit more. As far as photos, just like we talked about on the website, you're going to want to make sure that all of these photos that you're adding to your page are also saved as, buyer intent keywords and key phrases as well. There is a specific dimension Google likes to see for these photos, so it may be worth popping into the web and Googling that and seeing, what does Google like to see as far as that goes. And then making sure they're geotagged. So geolocations behind your images are going to be super important for like relevancy. So Google can actually say, hey, look, liquid roofing and construction does actually service their customers where they claim to. So you want to have these geotagged. Looks like all this information is filled out here. You've got open 24 hours on here. If that isn't the same as your Facebook page, you might want to change your Facebook page. Got some answers, questions and answers. That's fantastic. Got a nice filled out business description. Facebook's linking. Perfect. Posting. So the only other thing you could be doing on here to help keep you up in these rankings is to add some posts to your page. So just like you can post on Facebook, you can go on here and post. Posting creates or drives traffic to your page, and Google rewards traffic. So the more traffic you have, higher up the rankings you stay, and also see some improvements for some of these keywords like we talked about that you may not be being found for. So as far as that goes, doing great on this page. A couple minor things, but other than that, looking pretty good. So last and final thing we're going to talk about today, certainly not least, is backlinks. This is a paid tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. What it does is essentially let me look behind the scenes of what Google sees as far as the power associated behind a website. Power is what is going to help you rank in the organic section of Google. So I'll write up in here. More power you have, more trust you have with Google. Backlinks are essentially just one website linking to another website, telling Google, hey, Google, this website is trustworthy. So with that being said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you're putting your website domain here on relevant, non-spammy links. Relevant as far as, construction industry, things like that. You wouldn't want to go put it on an ice cream shop or anything like that because it's not relevant, and Google can actually penalize you for that. Don't have a whole lot going on here. Looks like either you're not doing anything or maybe just starting to do some stuff. You've only got one backlink on here. Let's see who it's even from. Just TampaBay.com. Not sure what this even is. Could be some kind of blog or something like that. Adding more backlinks. Check out what your competitors are doing. It's going to help you rank organically, like we said. It's also going to help you stay up in that map pack. Companies like yourself, businesses like yourself are really starting to jump into the online marketing game. Once competitors start doing this, you start to drop rankings. So it's super important that you stay on top of this stuff. We can pop in here and see too what organic keywords you're being found for. If it'll load for me. Liquid construction, so your own name. This is all new stuff that's just being found. And these all are just name related. So you're missing out on all these different keywords that you could be pulling up for. This, construction company in Gaylord isn't even being found on your website. So that's probably why you're not pulling up for it organically. So I hope that these tips and tricks helped you out. I hope it brings you more business for the years to come. If you have any questions or concerns, we encourage you to reach out so we can answer them for you. And we look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks so much.